Well, it is Halloween, and that means the first day of November is tomorrow, and that means Jeremy's out back with a forecast for a brand new month for us tonight. Jeremy.
Yeah, we're just 40 minutes away from Halloween or so, and I'm still dressed up in my costume. I've been avoiding every storm drain I've seen. Hopefully you've enjoyed Halloween as well. It's been breezy tonight, and it's going to continue to be breezy tomorrow. Wind advisories in effect for nearly the entire area until tomorrow at 5 a.m. Look at these gusts, up to 58 miles per hour for Mount Pocono, up to 40 miles per hour for Williamsport. And those winds are still sustained 5, 10, 20, 26 miles per hour. So those temperatures in the 40s and 50s feeling more like the upper 30s and low 40s. There's Scranton feeling like 41 degrees, Storuca feeling like 36. Coffin Rock, when you factor in the winds, feeling like 36 as well. We've got clearer skies than we did earlier, and parts of northern tier like Wayne County and Susquehanna County have been dealing with persistent and pesky showers all day today. Finally, they've ended. There are some flakes, though, flying around in the Catskills. Those are the first ones this season. Finally wrapped up with the rain over northern Wayne County, and that low-pressure system's pulling off towards the north and east. So we'll see more sunshine for your Saturday. Still, the winds will hang out. Then on Sunday, we start to dial back the winds and bring in the sunshine for the entire day. Overnight tonight, here is your Black Cat evening forecast as we end off this Halloween. As the witch flies across the moon, 40 is the overnight low with clearing skies. And temperatures are going to be below average now for the next, I'd say, 2 days. For the weekend, will be below average with windy conditions on Saturday, sunnier conditions on Sunday. Election day could have some sprinkles in the morning, but it looks a-okay to get out and cast your votes. Tonight is a Super 16. It is also, of course, Halloween. Happy Halloween to all of you. I got a abbreviated forecast for you, but there's more sports and news coming up in just a little bit. I'll leave you off with this. We're proud to serve Tunkhannock and everyone who lives in Wyoming County. Happy Halloween, everybody. We'll see you right after the break.